The Assembly will hear the address by His Excellency David Kabua, President of the Republic of the Marshall Islands. I request the protocol to escort His Excellency. On behalf of the General Assembly, I have the honor to welcome His Excellency David Kabua, President of the Republic of Marshall Islands, and to invite him to address the Assembly.
Thank you, Mr. President, and I congratulate you on your election. And also, I would like to also congratulate and thank your predecessor for his strong efforts and accomplishment. Mr. President, Secretary General, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I bring you warm greetings of Yahweh from the people and government of the Republic of the Marshall Islands. I also bring these greetings at an uncertain global hour. Geostrategic tension has risen in both Eastern Europe and the Indo-Pacific. We are gravely concerned regarding the report's finding that serious human rights violations have been committed and that widespread arbitrary detention may constitute international crimes, in particular, crimes against humanity. The international community cannot bear silent witness and must react. The Republic of the Marshall Islands also affirms the role of the Pacific Islands Forum in addressing human rights issues in West Papua, including the prior call for engagement with the UN Human Rights High Commissioner.